Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the privacy protection in the mail and what it does on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on mail, swipe down again and go to privacy protection. As factory settings, you are going to have this feature on, and what it does, it's like hiding your IP address and loading remote content privately in the background even if you don't open the message. So this makes harder for senders to follow your mail activity. You can click and learn more about what this feature is doing and just read it, but it just makes your mail more private. You can turn off this feature and then you are going to have these two options like here. So block all remote content if you want to, and hide IP address. So the remote content means for example some links or just something that it is not safe on your email, that is not specific on the mail, it is going to be blocked. And also you can hide IP address if you want to, if you are going to send some emails or open some emails. If you have this feature on, your IP address is going to be hidden, and I suggest you to leave this on. So if you turn off this feature, someone that knows how to do it can check your IP address when and where you have checked your email. So I really suggest to just have this feature on because privacy is a key. So leave this feature on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!